cryptocurrency is regaining popularity as interest in it increases. The term crypto in the context of cryptocurrencies refers to the complex cryptography that enables the development and processing of digital currencies, as well as their transactions through decentralized systems. Cryptocurrencies are almost always intended to be resistant to government exploitation and control, though this fundamental feature of the industry has come under fire, as it has increased in popularity. One method is to look at a company's market capitalization, which is the total monetary worth of its stock. In this aspect, it's difficult to go past Bitcoin and Ethereum, which offer significant advantages over their respective competitors. Hi, welcome to Things Behind. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2021. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel to join our family. This list aims to introduce you to the top 10 cryptocurrencies for this year. Here are top cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization that you can consider investing in 2021. Number 10. Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2017 as a fork of Bitcoin. The goal of Bitcoin Cash's creation was to allow for a larger block size than Bitcoin, allowing for more transactions to be stored in a single block. Despite their differences, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin share some technical similarities, including the use of the same consensus mechanism and a supply limit of 21 million coins. As of April 2nd, it has a market capitalization of $10.8 billion and 1 BCH trades for $575.17. Conclusion: given the popularity of cryptocurrencies, investing in them needs severe caution. Before investing in a cryptocurrency, investors must carefully assess its potential prospects. Number 9. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin, BNB, is an Ethereum-based ERC-20 token, launched by the prominent cryptocurrency exchange Binance. You can pay a commission for transactions on the exchange using this coin. With a total quantity of 200 million tokens, the token was created. Binance intends to utilize 20% of profits each quarter to buy back and burn BNB, until 50% of the total BNB supply, 100 million, has been burned, according to the white paper. Number 8. Dogecoin, Doge. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was founded as a joke by software programmers Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer, who wanted to make fun of the rampant cryptocurrency speculation of the time. On May 9, 2021, SpaceX announced a Dogecoin-funded rideshare journey to the moon, making it the first cryptocurrency-funded space trip. Number 7. Uniswap, Uni. Uniswap is a cryptocurrency exchange protocol that operates on a decentralized basis. The name of the company that created the Uniswap protocol is also Uniswap. Through the use of smart contracts, the protocol allows for automated transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. As of April 2nd, it has a market capitalization of $15, 2 billion and 1 Uni trades for $29.21. Number 6. Ripple, XRP. Ripple is a cryptocurrency and a digital payment network for financial transactions that was first released in 2012. Ripple Labs created XRP as a payment token to be used on its decentralized payment system. XRP is used with a network of validation nodes rather than a blockchain, as the company started with a blockchain-based system. As of April 2nd, Ripple XRP has a market capitalization of $26, 8 billion, and 1 XRP trades for $0.5926. Number 5. Polkadot. Polkadot is a one-of-a-kind proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that aims to provide blockchain interoperability. Its protocol links permissioned and permissionless blockchains, as well as oracles, allowing systems to interact under one roof. Polkadot was created by Gavin Wood, Thiel Fellow Robert Habermeyer, and Peter Sabin. Gavin Wood is a co-founder of the Ethereum project and was previously the chief technology officer. As of March 2021, Polkadot has a market capitalization of $30.3 billion, and 1 DOT trades for $32.83. Via the Polkadot Relay Chain, Polkadot enables an internet, where independent blockchain can share information and transactions in a trustless manner. Polkadot aims to make creating and connecting decentralized apps, utilities, and organizations easier. Number 4. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is a cryptocurrency network, an open-source project with the aim of creating a public blockchain platform for smart contracts. ADA is the internal cryptocurrency of Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum and BitShares, started developing the platform in 2015 and released it in 2017. Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's 5 original founding members, was a co-founder of the project. After some disagreements with Ethereum's course, he left and later assisted in the development of Cardano. As of 9:36 a.m. IST on March 29, ADA, the non-profit digital currency, was trading at $1.19 and had a market cap of $40.4 billion. Number 3. Tether, USDT. Tether, previously known as Realcoin, was launched in 2014, and is one of the first cryptocurrencies to be pegged to the US dollar. Tether is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency whose crypto coins are backed by an equal sum of conventional fiat currencies kept in a specified bank account, such as the dollar, euro, or Japanese yen. The Tether is a stablecoin, a form of cryptocurrency that aims to hold cryptocurrency prices stable, as opposed to the large fluctuations seen in the prices of other common cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tether was the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization in January 2021, with a total market capitalization of $24.4 billion and a per-token value of $1. Number 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that allows smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, to be designed and run without the need for third-party downtime, theft, control, or intervention. Ethereum is a permissionless, non-hierarchical network of computers, nodes, that generate and achieve consensus on an ever-growing sequence of blocks or batches of transactions referred to as the blockchain. The platform's native cryptocurrency is Ether, ETH. After Bitcoin, it is the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Ethereum is used for decentralized finance, the production and exchange of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and many initial coin offerings, ICOs. The coin market capitalization is at $195.54 billion on the 29th of March 2021. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2008 by an anonymous individual, or group of people who went by the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the use of intermediaries. It has no central bank or single administrator. Network nodes use cryptography to verify transactions, which are then registered in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. If its price rises or falls, there is no denying that Bitcoin will continue to dominate the cryptocurrency sector. With a market capitalization of $1.01 trillion, BTC, as it is known by its market ticker, is the most popular cryptocurrency. Let us know in the comment box if this video was helpful. Please like the video and also subscribe to our channel.